What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Llama Llama in his red pajama. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw the bottom edge of the nose. So we'll start on the left. Just going to bend this down in the middle and then up towards the right. And I want to fold the side in behind. So we're going to step down on the left, go across and up, round up the side of the nose and then bend that in. Let's add a fold across the top edge of the nose, going up and then down. Now from the nose, we want to move out to the side and draw two ovals for the eyes. So we'll start with the left. Coming down, and then back up. And then we want to line that up on the right side. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle. Draw that same size circle on the right. And then we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to go back to the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down to separate the mouth, and we'll curve the left side, coming down and then up. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then on the ends, we'll add a small bracket facing out. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left, coming down, and then up. Along the top, we add a curve for the teeth. Along the bottom, add a curve going up and down for the tongue. And then we'll fill the inside center of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a small fold for the lip. Let's go back and add the eyebrows around the side of the eye, going out and then down. And then we'll move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start from the left side of the eye, step out, bend this out and around the cheek, and just pull that in, aiming towards the lip. Now we're going to add a little bit of fur across the side of the neck. Come down and out and back in to add a point. And then bend the neck coming in and then down towards the collar. Let's draw in the collar. Bend this in and then down towards the center. Now I'm going to go back and add some fur across the side of the head. Bend this out and down. Go back up towards the side of the head. I'm going to add one more. Going out and back in. Now I want to draw the outside edge of the ears. Starting back on the left, going out, up, and in towards the top. Let's round up the tip of the ear, come down and then in. Now I want to add that fold inside the ear, starting from the top, coming down and then in. Bend this out and then up towards the side of the ear. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the hair. Let's start back on the left side, and this up and across, come down, go out and up. I'm just going to repeat adding these points going over towards the right side, just alternating the curve. Just bring that back down. Now I want to draw in the hair bangs, starting back on the left, coming down and out, go up, and then again we're just going to alternate these curves, working our way over towards the right side. Now with the head complete, let's draw on the collar. From the base of the neck, we're going to step up, go around, and then down towards the bottom. Let's go up and then in. Now from the tip of the collar, we're going to step down, curve the body, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's connect the hips with a curve, and we leave a gap in the center. Coming down and in. And then in the middle, we'll close this off with an upside down V. Let's connect this top point and the bottom with a straight line. And then on the left side, we're going to add 3 small buttons. Let's go back to the center. Step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now in the middle, it's going to round out the left leg, coming down, go all the way around and just bend that in towards the hip. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now from the inside of the pant, we're just going to curl the leg, going out and then down towards the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, going down and up towards the outside. Let's go back to the side, curl the foot, going up. Let's bend that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up underneath the pant, bend the leg, coming down and out on top of the feet. Now we're going to add in the toes. From this point, we're going to step in, curl this up and in to separate the toes. And then you want to round out the top. Start with the outside, going up and out, go back to the inside and go up and then back down. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start from the side of the collar, bend the arm coming down and out. Let's round out the sleeve and then bend that in towards the side of the body. Let's tuck the hands in underneath the sleeve, starting from the left, bend this out and up. Let's round out the bottom and just tuck that in underneath the sleeve. Let's separate the hands just like we did with the toe. Starting from the tip, step down, curl this in, separate the top and then the bottom with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Llama Llama in his red pajama. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.